Hi, lovely people. I introduce my own recipe. You can try at your kitchen. Hi, lovely people. Together with me, Dimas Yunani at Kadut Athena channel. Today, I will cook tortellini with tuna. I show you what we need. First, we use tuna inside the can, 340 gram, tortellini 250 gram. Inside we have cheese inside there, vegetable mix, carrot, long green bean, paprika, corn, feta cheese from the goat milk, Papery sweet, salt, black pepper, tomato sauce 250 gram. Also grated cheese, I use 50 gram and a little bit olive oil. Let's go cook. Alright, lovely people, maybe you are thinking why I'm not boiling this tortellini, because I have my own way. Check it out. And then we put all 250 gram tortellini. After mix vegetable, we put together, right? Lovely. And we mix together like this. This is my recipe. After we give olive oil, right? We mix again. Tortellini, tuna bake with vegetable, and we put tomato sauce 250 gram. Also we put water 200 milliliter. This remaining from the tomato sauce. We mix again, we stir like this. Okay, lovely people, you must see the water will be make tortellini very well done. Alright, lovely people, now we give black pepper half teaspoon, salt half teaspoon, Papery sweet 1 teaspoon, and again we mix it. Lovely people, after we mix everything, you can see the sauce, water, olive oil. Also after, for the last minute, put tuna on the top. You can see the tortellini, the water we add until the tortellini, you can see. All right, this is ready. We use oven 180 degree till 1 hour. See you. Lovely people, you see Everything's ready, goes to oven. Also you can see the tuna, because the tuna we have already olive oil inside. Food, healthy, tortellini, tuna bake inside. The minute we stir like this. Lovely. After 30 minutes, we put add more water, 50 milliliter, and we stir again like this. Tortellini tuna bake with vegetable will be ready on 30 minutes more.